Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah launches Digital Shakti Northeast program, urges Centre to improve internet connectivity in Manipur for success of the program. Revenue Minister Karam Shyam urges officials and staffs of Revenue Department to do the right thing and not respond at any whimsical directions of MLAs and ministers. Manipur observes World Soil Day. Agriculture Director appeals farmers to conduct soil tests before utilizing fertilizers and to get soil health card. An expert team of Wildlife Institute of India assures to identify mysterious predator pervasively killing domesticated livestock in the state by tomorrow. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thantum with the headlines in details. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah has launched a digital literacy and online safety program, Digital Shakti Northeast at Hotel Imphal, North AOC today. The program is a nationwide campaign to digitally empower young girls and women. Speaking on the occasion, the governor stated that women of the Northeast, particularly women of Manipur, are highly talented and they deserve to be sufficiently empowered with the digital technology for a space in this highly competitive world. She also urged the central government to improve internet connectivity in the state. Governor Najma Heptullah maintained that launching a Digital Shakti Northeast will be of no use if internet connectivity is poor. She also urged National Commission for Women to give due emphasis on the same. Highlighting the importance of internet connectivity in the modern era, the governor also stressed on the negative impact of internet, including cybercrimes, and called the need to take precautionary measures against the same. She believed that the program launched today will benefit the women's section of the state to a great extent. Social Welfare Minister Neemcha Kipgen, Chairperson of National Commission for Women Rekha Sharma, Manager of India Southeast Asia Policy Program Shruti Mogre, President of Cyber Peace Foundation Captain Vinit Kumar and many experts attended the event jointly organized by National Commission for Women, Cyber Peace Foundation and Facebook.
The whole problem which I face in Manipur is the connectivity, because we don't get a lot of broadway signals over here, but I'm sure it must be difficult for the people. Now, as we used to say, the world is on our palm, because with these modern intelligent telephones, the whole world is on our palm. You just, everything which you don't want to, you don't need a teacher to tell you, you just go to the Google. You can get anything and everything over the Google. Now these are the very, very positive use of digitalization and digital literacy.
United All Communities Social Uplifters Kanglai Park in a press release informed that a reception program was held in honor of the first Tangkhul woman member of National Commission for Women, Soso Saiza, at Yum and Hills Cottage in Luang Sangpam yesterday. Revenue Minister Karam Shyam has urged officials and staffs of the Revenue Department to refrain from doing whatever MLAs and ministers direct them to do, but instead focus on doing the right things according to the book fair and square. He was speaking during a departmental meeting held at Kuranganaya Hall in Imphal West DC complex today. Speaking in the meet, Revenue Secretary T. Ranjit stated that due to corruption in the Revenue Department for long in the past, many cases are still pending in the court. Deputy Secretary Y. Rajan drew the attention of the Revenue Minister to fill in the inadequate staffs of the department, especially in the hilly regions. He also stressed the need to execute works sincerity by the department staff and officials.
가나무 미니스터 MLN 하이라르 수다가비 라이팅 아춤거 타복도 마두컷 타복은 원조비오 Noi no dai like ne revenue minister lo go ha minister MLA also le ai sa so revenue winning of the bagi ta dala hai maram di masi kana na tholi noi na transfer posting ta kana ta interfere ko biro no mantri no so chumba phaba ta biro e no ala ga ta mayam nasi wari lo bi una ire video letter mayam do ta lo ko bio vote di moi moi ki sen ma song bana tra khana sana bana hai bani na lot of pressure to sala bani na koi khang ngam de ai na transfer posting ta paisa sa ka ra ga di noi na lo ko dai paisa le prasad gi ne aduna prasad gi paisa lo ka puri chang ge handan na ba ai mo do paisa handa be se ai ki policy ne adu ki interest ta wak to ri ba ai mo nda kari gi sum ba approach ba ya ma la li se mai ham sin thon ba ne
Manipur joined the globe in observing World Soil Day today. The Directorate of Agriculture observed the day at its conference hall in Sanjinthong. Speaking on the occasion, Director of the Agriculture Department, P.H. Rajendra, appealed to farmers of the state to conduct soil tests first before utilizing fertilizers and also to get soil health card. The Agriculture Director stated that the concept of soil health was given less importance and emphasis was more on use of pesticides, fungicides and seeds for cultivation in earlier times. He stressed the need to maintain soil health as plants do not thrive well on infertile soil. He said that the launch of Mission Organic Chain Development Scheme in Northeast states under the initiative of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the State Agriculture Department has undertaken various projects to make Manipur an organic state. He expressed concerns at farmers using fertilizers before conducting soil tests and at the rising demand of fertilizers in the state. P.H. Rajendra disclosed that as an alternative to jhum cultivation and poppy plantation in the hills, which are detrimental to soil health, soybean and maize cultivation will be undertaken under the initiative of Chief Minister Ngthom Bireng. He also intimated that the Agriculture Minister is seeking approval from Union Agricultural Minister for undertaking projects for converting post-harvest straws into compost. The Agriculture Director appealed to all the farmers to get soil health card and to consult department officials for availing various schemes. Joint Director of the Agriculture Department, Y. Shyam, Deputy Director of Soil Chemist, L. Irabot, officials of Agriculture Department, farmers, farmers clubs and representatives of FIGs from various districts attended the event. Soil health cards were also distributed to farmers on the occasion.
Soil testing to the hard season of Innovation. Project C, the ongoing scheme C, Mission Organic Values and Development Co. scheme Mamakoi, North State, 2015, the Prime Minister launched out the Hore, Haribo Organic Farming Schemes. Although a top of honor and never hard demands Hengale among the Hikarasi in Tanzania. Masiam Live activity Hajage. Maruin was soil data, young can be importance not only a belly, but importance, people are electricity. Soil degradation. Zumia, Zooms need to abandon Zooming, you could reclaim the single how the things you are, but I'm calling report harvest. Masaki Zoom may target Masiki practices continuously, sang livelihood in a quina, since I did tea, which the thing is so pilot them in the Rogasu. Carito Bayagaki, Habiki, been some good tea, with Simatam Yore, Saru may have most of the koi, Saruzi, Shashagi, pills today they koi, home Tork and the compost semi practice with the
Spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh, C.H. Bijoy, mocked spokesperson of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, MPCC Kumokcham Joy Kishan by stating that the Congress MLA is not a person to be debated with because of his poor knowledge on the constitution and rulings of the assembly. Briefing media at BJP Manipur Pradesh temporary office in Kanchipur today, C.H. Bijoy condemned MLA Joy Kishan for calling him a self-professed BJP spokesperson on an earlier occasion. He rebuked MPCC spokesperson Joy Kishan for acting against the ethics of an MLA. Bijoy maintained that Joy Kishan need to win in debating with a BJP spokesperson first, even before thinking of holding a debate with a BJP MLA or member. The BJP spokesperson challenged MLA Joy Kishan by stating that he can debate on any topic at any time. Bijoy also recalled that he debated MLA Joy Kishan during an episode of Impact News Manung Hutna aired on January 26, 2017, where the MLA was shamefaced.
2015 ma disqualified tawre disqualified to was here constitution khang by MLA mana pa tahongadamnate public money bari tingale by election tobada masichu ma constitution namadi laidiba election law mayam se khomgaw na bagi mai laraba khudamne handak mana BJP da debate tawna sena yam toina hai MLA digi ta da se kari da tadrino rank tak ra natraga university professor intellectual college oja sing di maga debate tawna bada mangon dai tai khanbra mana MLA digi ta da bena min tawri se kana kana buno si akhoi fajana definition pibiro adaga joycation ga BJP ga akhoi debate tawna ba akhoi magi challenge do akhoi accept awi.
Expert team Wildlife Institute of India has assured to identify the predator pervasively killing domesticated fowls in the state by tomorrow. Briefing media at the Forest Department office in St. Jaintong today, Chief Conservator of Forest Wildlife Anurag Bajpai said hunting spree of the unknown predator has decreased in the past couple of days, apart from killing of couple of owls in Bishnupur, Thoubal, Imphal East and Imphal West districts. He also mentioned that killing of 2 chickens in Churachandpur reported today turned out to be by a dog. He further assured that 12 cameras were installed at suspected areas. Taking part in the press meet, Chief Conservator of Forest T1 Mahendra Pratap said so far report findings have predicted the predator to be a dog-like carnivorous animal. He hinted that the predator could possibly be a dog in search of food in the evening to keep themselves warm owing to winter's cold. Mahendra maintained that attacking the gut of the fowls is characteristic of canine family. He appealed not to endanger wildlife in the wake of the situation.
People are having the panic or fear psychosis about these kind of animals where fruit bats are there. Such kind of animals, they should not have any fear because these fruit bats eat fruits only. They are not the carnivore.
Camera trap tegi fangi basing so. Ada mostly ngarang so win ucheki bidune ko. Yumdi yok taba mapugi dioi taba. Kanawumba kanawumbagi hui adi mapuni di masakang taba mayam amma kuina camera duri ufangin. Haying di fazana kangani karigi nuarga ngasi camera du collect ore yamba. Toro panina kuina muk data analysis ang changin ko. Adi certain conclusion am the porokadawina. Huzik pog di akuina worry sa zabadi huzik takpiri bidong. Huziki stray dog no igani hebdo adom the point to.
A combined team of Thoubal District Police and Narcotics and Affairs of Borders NAB destroyed vast cultivation of marijuana plants at Karimpikok in Thoubal District today. Acting on a tip of the team led by Additional SP of Thoubal District, Soibam Sachidananda, chopped off ganja plants vastly cultivated in some farm state in the area. Taking part in drive as an executive magistrate, SDC Hairok M. Manglemba warned culprits of legal actions if they are found cultivating marijuana plants again in future, as cultivation of the narcotic plants is banned in the country. Langol upon Manipur state sit in today at Langol Ningthau Laikai demanding befitting punishments to accuse Oinam Tomba for allegedly raping an 11-year-old minor girl from the same locality. Condemning the inhuman act, Secretary of the Association, Sangeeta, stated that the association has decided to ostracize the family from the locality. She appealed to relevant department to take severe action against the culprit.
Sahi trama thoi khakta ngai riba nupi macha mu bu natabali ja chalamba tomba hai riba nupa je ahak pa sayak pi hanningi maroi na ma sida se na riba mama je ma nupa ji ki mama je si ne ba koina miyam na kano ahak pa sayak pi pa mi je aduga loina na langon da mu hanale handaba.
On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on technical internship training program under which nurses of Manipur will be trained in Japan for 5 years. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Nurses from Manipur will be trained in Japan for a period of 5 years under Technical Internship Training Program. An interaction program between nursing trainees and 5 representatives from Japan was held at Government Nursing College in Lamphilpat today. The 5 representatives from Japan on a 4-day state visit are President of Japan Association of Functional Recovery Care and Power Rehabilitation Professor Takahito Takeuchi and Secretary Professor Akami Okazima, Certified FRC Instructor Yoichi Wakinaga, CEO of MBA Masaki Uchio and CEO of Next Sharing Company NSDC Yashinori Yahat. Speaking on the occasion, Professor of International University of Health and Welfare Takahito Takeuchi stated that nurses of Northeast India will be trained in various fields under the Technical Internship Training Program for 5 years. He conveyed that stipends will be provided during the 5 years internship and Japanese will be taught to the trainees before they leave for Japan. Principal Secretary of the Health and Family Welfare V. Bumlunmang and Director Dr. K. Rajo also attended the event.
Functional recovery care, new care, yes. Japanese technology. Yes. ここの看護の学生を日本に招いて勉強してもらって、新しい技術を習得してもう一度マニプールに返すというそういうことのためです。
It is a technique that has been developed by the professor, and it is a unique way of giving care to old people. It cures dementia and it cures bedridden people. It helps them become self-recovering. So that's why it is called functional recovery.
Functional.
BSc first-year students of College of Nursing RIMS held its lamp lighting and oath-taking ceremony at RIMS Hospital, Jubilee Hall today. Speaking in the event, Assistant Director General Nursing of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Rathi Balachandran, asserted that the sacrificial profession of nurses is an honorable one. He urged the nurse trainees to work wholeheartedly and maintain good relationships with their patients. He added, in a sensitive state like Manipur, there is a need for nurses to work ardently. Director of RIMS, Professor N. Santa, Examination Controller of Manipur University, Professor A. Narayan, Medical Superintendent of RIMS, Professor C.H. Arun Kumar, and many eminent persons attended the event. Best students of the nursing college were also felicitated on the occasion.
Nursing is dynamic and challenging profession, and warm greetings are there from the Ministry of Health, Government of India Nursing Division. And across the world, nursing is recognized as the cost-effective solution for achieving universal health coverage. And you have opted that profession as a career for you. So I congratulate you and your parents for opting this.
The 6th Winter Disabled Mela held in relation with International Day of Persons with Disability 2018 in Etera Primary School since December 3rd concluded today. National Award for Outstanding Creative Adult Persons with Disabilities awardee M. Sumati was felicitated and certificates were also distributed to the participants of fair at the valedictory event. Products exclusively made by disabled persons were showcased in the fair organized by Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur. Speaking in the event, CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam urged everyone to encourage disabled persons and to treat them affectionately. He also expressed his desire to unite the scattered organizations of disabled persons in the state, as taking up works together will be more beneficial, and it will also facilitate concerned authorities to undertake welfare activities for them.
Differently able persons in say, I normal life to labor singsina. A number level the Moibu Mating Pangaga, Akui societies, the Moyi Hingbugi rice, Piga the Vanena, Sarkar, Damati Praza, the Tong Tiliba ministers, the Aishwamane. Akui Manipur the lady MLA Humpuna, Magi Kendra, the Sarkar Ngaidana, a number Mating Pang Jeva, Moibu Hingan Jeva, Moi Hingan Baze, Akui Shama, Zibu Aquina, Takta Pukat Pane, Amakakio in organization, Amakak Unda Manipur in a Watana, I call the Tana, the Amkana Legani, Madugi Maram Legani.
State level Nupi Lalning Shing Lamchil Committee in a press release stated that the 27th state-level Nupilal Memorial Marathon will be held on December 12 at 6 a.m. from Nupilal Memorial Complex to Singjumai Supermarket. The committee maintained that the memorial marathon will be held in 3 categories, and interested individuals can submit forms along with a copy of their Aadhaar cards for participating in the event till December 8th. JAC All Manipur DPC completed re-recruitment candidates of Police Constable Male 2016. K. Jayanta Singh Badge has resolved not to support BJP candidates in the upcoming MP election if the recruitment result of the batch is not declared at the earliest. The same was intimated to media by Joint Secretary of the batch, Maibam Romesh, at Manipur Press Club today. Romesh maintained that the recruitment process was undertaken after a state cabinet meeting in 2016. Romesh mentioned that some of the candidates have already exceeded their age limit, awaiting the result.
2013 base haidokni tori basida haiba 2016 base asisu koi sharuk yan biu ekoi hojik koi haiba koi DPGC gi candidate singsu yam boloine S bar oirabani masida maibu gomena koi tabi do targadi koi democratic oyo mongda koi makhan makha kya gi khonu sanghun jagani adugo lakadoriba 2019 gi MP election sida koi gi BJP gi candidate khuding makta haiba koi gi guardian sing sung haiba koi 2016 base gi candidate sing gi bakedi gi koi BJP gi candidate amata koi sakolo haina koi mot amato ni yanare 2000
MLA Assembly Constituency El Susindro Yaima urged the government to take actions against the relevant department engineers and contractors undertaking the construction work of 8-kilometer long Premi Canal for lack of quality maintenance. The canal, also known as Premi Khong, passes through Kurai Tawan Thabalaikai behind Porompa DC and finally joins the Kongba River. Speaking to media while inspecting the ongoing works at the canal undertaken by the IFCD department today, MLA Susindro expressed apprehension that the canal might overflow during monsoon season as the canal bed is constructed 4 to 5 feet higher than its supposed depth. He mentioned that the ongoing works at Premi Canal was undertaken on a priority basis by utilizing fund out of the total 14 crore rupees sanctioned by the Ministry of Donor for 2 developmental projects in the constituency last year. He expressed discontentment that despite repeated intimation about the situation to the relevant department, no proper actions are taken till date.
Kurai Kendra gi oina di khwaidagi laibak thiba haiba tare nasigi tawramiba thodo si yengchalubada ina ujarakpada Ministry of Donor dagi thabak ani Kendra gi oina khoi hapsabani adaida priority basis ta Premi Khong jina khwaidagi darka le na khoina khanjaraga Premi Khong si last year gi da khoi sanction piraktana masi Premi Khong select tawne du department jinga tawriba contractor jinjiga loktunaraga personal interest khra yawbu male maramdi sigi makha da tawribo se bamboo piling pira matungda asidagi mathakta mana phaklong ama thare adu mathata heta haibani quality yaudana su tawre adui mathakta sigi estimate sigi items sing de piri basiga sida tawrami basiga de totally different aduna masida pairiba engineers sing aduga masida pairiba contractors sing se moi si chapchaba action lokopam thoi tawriba posida is da khoi inquiry tawbam thoi
ekhoina masikari gyo yam thenmalli lumanle na ekhoina masi hire matana moin hire DPR saraga masi thaba matamda masi gise then na tha hin mar moraga ekhoina masi tawbe adabne na hire
Ipoton Sina Girls Higher Secondary Uripok held its annual social freshers meet cum prize distribution today. The event, organized by Students' Union of the school, was graced by Additional Director S. R.K. Kennedy as the chief guest, principal of the school, and Prem Pyari as president and vice principal Y. Pajabi as guest of honor. Newly elected secretaries of the school's students' union were administered oath and meritorious awards were accorded to deserving students on the occasion. Senior Writers and Playwrights Forum in a press release expressed grief over the sudden demise of renowned Manipuri writer Professor Elangbam Dinamani. And now the sports news. LYDA Cycle and UTLWO Uripok beat their opponents in the first Under-15 Manipur Youth League football tournament. In the third league match played at Kumalampak Artificial Turf Ground today, Players of LYDA Cycle Samson and Dolindro scored 1 goal each and defeated NMSA Uyumpok 2-0. In the fourth league match, MSA Gukrol and CMFA Thaubal resulted to 1-1 draw. In the fifth league match, UTLWO Uripok defeated MRT FC Cycle 2-1. For the winners, Monis scored 2 goals and the lone goal of the losing team was scored by Zangao Mang. 7 teams of under 15 boys are participating in the football league organized by Max Sports Academy in Manipur. 3 subsequent league matches will be played tomorrow. MNN Sector CRPF Rajesh Kumar, IGP, kicked off a 4-day-long Kasa Koso football tournament at Puduname Village Playground in Mao Senapati district yesterday. The tournament was organized by CRPF 109th Battalion to encourage youths and to strengthen the bond of friendship in the society. 10 football teams are participating in the tournament. Let's take a look at headlines once again. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah launches Digital Shakti Northeast program, urges Center to improve internet connectivity in Manipur for success of the program. Revenue Minister Karam Shyam urges officials and staffs of Revenue Department to do the right thing and not to respond at any whimsical directions of MLAs and ministers. Manipur observes World Soil Day. Agriculture Director appeals farmers to conduct soil tests before utilizing fertilizers and to get soil health card. An expert team of Wildlife Institute of India assures to identify mysterious predator pervasively killing domesticated livestock in the state by tomorrow.